Bullish Jasmy coin cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 2 cents and 5 cents by 2030. Market experts accept JASMY could reach 2 cents by 2025. Bearish Jasmy coin market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. Jasmy coin presentation. Jasmy coin, as a stage, was sent off to utilize the web of things gadgets and media made to store and handle information in a decentralized structure. Very much like the non-exclusive construction of a market, the cryptographic money market continues developing and spreading out while inviting new conventions and groups consistently. Nonetheless, with this ceaseless advancement and development, more cycles are made to support them, and one of these arrangements is Jasmy coin. Jasmy stage fills in as an information assurance convention that places information a majority rules government at a high worth and means to go about as a delegate for the safe trade of information and resources through their confidential individual information storage spaces. This guarantees that information isn't effortlessly gotten to by unapproved parties and further handled and put away in unified frameworks, which help information examination and corner gauges. In this video, we'd investigate the idea of Jasmy coin. Will the past cost presentation make it a wise venture for the following bull run? Will it hit all time again after this passing winding? And what's the cost figure for Jasmy before long? What is Jasmy coin? Jasmy coin is an Ethereum-based coin and local badge of the JASMY stage, a Japanese organization that Kunitake Ando made to interface more web gadgets, subsequently developing the customary method of abundance move as the gadgets are utilized as an installment for the help. This symbolic serves an enormous scope of issues and purposes. The coin was sent off first in Tokyo, Japan, before significant trades recorded it, and hence viewed as the main authority Japanese crypto coin and controlled by the nation's administration. Jasmy coin is likewise a utility symbolic that gives the framework and climate to decentralized servers to assist individuals with the most common way of putting away their information in information storage and exchanging them with organizations prepared to have it. This decentralized server that offers this help and is utilized by the stage is called IPFS, a decentralized stockpiling framework. Juan Bennett made this capacity framework. However, the organization used to construct it as Global Space Document Frameworks, which offers a convention that speeds up, makes a more open and more secure web, and coordinates trust into the blockchain. This convention is additionally Web3 stockpiling network that offers the motivations of Filecoin as its auxiliary. The advantage it offers to an individual is that you're responsible for your information and its utilization case, offering it to whomever you pick. Jasmy's organization will probably act as a reliable stage for clients and organizations that utilization their foundation and guarantee that its situation in the market can in any case take care of one of the main concern issues of modern times. Jasmy coin current cost. Jasmy coin is right now worth $0. JASMY has moved 3.23% as of now with an exchanging volume of $104,421,199. Jasmy coin is presently positioned 512 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $27,659,565 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling disparity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Jasmy coin to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous Jasmy coin market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market movement. Jasmy coin value expectation 2022. Jasmy coin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The JASMY cost conjecture for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $0. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. JASMY is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Jasmy coin value forecast 2023. In 2023, Jasmy coin JASMY cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of JASMY will before long outperform 1 cent. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the JASMY's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, JASMY will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 1 cent and a typical exchanging cost of 1 cent. Jasmy coin value forecast 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 2 cents and JASMY might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. JASMY is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 1 cent and a low of 1 cent in 2024. Jasmy coin value expectation 2025. Assuming that Jasmy coin effectively helps market feeling among digital currency aficionados, the JASMY coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, JASMY will be green in 2025. The JASMY is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at 2 cents, with a base cost of 2 cents and a typical cost of 2 cents. Jasmy coin value expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the JASMY cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 3 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 2 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, JASMY has a greatest value worth of 3 cents. Jasmy coin value forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 3 cents. In the event that JASMY figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of 3 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help JASMY needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 3 cents. Jasmy coin value expectation 2028. While JASMY is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 4 cents and a yearly cost close above 4 cents in 2028. Jasmy coin value forecast 2029. By 2029, Jasmy coin will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 4 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 4 cents. Averaging out at 4 cents. Jasmy coin value expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future sticker costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest JASMY cost in 2030 is projected to be 5 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 5 cents. What is the Jasmy coin cost today? Today, Jasmy coin is exchanging at $0, a complete market capitalization of $27,659,565. Is Jasmy coin a wise speculation? Jasmy coin ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. Considering this, it is insightful to say that JASMY is a decent decision of speculation. How high could Jasmy coin at any point go? The typical cost of Jasmy coin might potentially reach $0 a year. Throughout the following 5 years, it is projected that Jasmy coin might outperform 3 cents. What amount will Jasmy coin be worth in 5 years? In view of the rising prevalence of cryptographic money and Jasmy coin, a drawn-out interest in JASMY could see the value ascend to 3 cents inside the following 5 years. What amount will Jasmy coin be worth in 10 years? In the event that you put